This video will go over the assembly process for the NordicTrack rower and other similar models. We will be referencing bolts and screws used in this assembly by their key number, found on the parts identification chart on page 6 of your user's manual. To start, place a soft cloth or piece of cardboard on the floor to protect your floor while assembling your new rower. With the help of a second person, flip the rower upside down so that the shipping bracket is resting on your floor. While a second person stabilizes the machine, orient and attach the front stabilizer with 2 key number 101 screws. Then identify the right footrest and attach it to the right side of the frame using 4 key number 100 screws. With the right footrest fully tightened, attach the right footrest bottom with 2 key number 104 screws. Repeat these steps for the left side footrest. Next, set the rear stabilizer into the bracket on the frame and attach it to the frame with a single key number 102 screw and 2 key number 103 screws. Orient the stabilizer cover as shown, press it into the rear stabilizer and attach it with 4 key number 104 screws. Now with the stabilizers and footrest attached to the machine, with the help of a second person, move the rower to the upright position. If your machine has a shipping bracket attached to the console bracket, remove it and the 2 shipping screws at this step. Now, attach the console to the console bracket with 1 key number 105 screw and 1 key number 119 screw. Then connect the neck wire to the main wire. These should slide together easily and make an audible click when snapped together. Next, orient the right and left neck shields as shown and press them around the machine. Take note to not pinch the neck wire in this step. And attach them to the frame with 2 key number 107 screws. With the console attached, slide the seat into the seat rail. Orient the rear rail bumper and the rear end cover as shown and attach the bumper with 1 key number 107 screw. And the rear cover with 2 key number 107 screws. Finally, plug in the power adapter into the receptacle on the front of the rower. Make sure all parts are properly tightened before you power on and use your machine. To register your product and activate your warranty, please visit my.nordictrack.com.